Is your video framed incorrectly? Or perhaps recorded sideways? Sometimes, the raw footage just does not fit the screen the way you want it to, but you can fix the composition instantly inside Filmora 15. Today, I am going to show you how to resize, rotate, and crop your footage perfectly. First, drag your video onto the timeline and click to select it. We will start with resizing. Go to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the Video tab, and then select Basic. Find the scale slider, drag it to the right to zoom in, or to the left to shrink the video. This is perfect for creating picture-in-picture effects. Next, let us rotate the video. In the same basic video panel, look for the Rotate option. You can drag the circle dial to rotate freely, or type 90 in the box to flip it perfectly sideways. This is essential if you recorded vertical video on a horizontal camera. Finally, let us look at cropping. This is different from resizing because it cuts out the edges completely. Select your clip on the timeline. Click on the crop icon in the toolbar above the timeline. It looks like a square with lines. A new window will pop up. Choose your desired ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 for Shorts. Drag the corners of the box to frame your subject perfectly. Click Apply. Now, look at your final shot. The distracting edges are gone, and your subject is perfectly centered. Your video now looks deliberate and professional. If this helped you fix your framing, please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe. For more essential Filmora 15 tips.